istesem kalkabilirim sanki, hele de odamdan çıkarsam. Beni kimse tutamaz bu yükseklikte. Her şey toz pembe, her şey toz pembe. Bu yükseklikte, her şey hep çok net. Düşene dek. Pembe mi, gri mi, şehir mi, mevsim mi, aklım mı, şelale, zihnim mi, eserim mi, dökülen yapraklar değil de ben miyim? Saçılan kırıklar kimin hayallerinden? Pembe mi, gri mi, şehir mi, mevsim mi, aklım mı, şelale, zihnim mi, eserim mi, dökülen yapraklar değil de ben miyim? Saçılan kırıklar kimin hayallerinden?
MACFEST spread only not hate.
Hi, my name's Bernadette. My name's Jackie, and today Jackie and I took part in the felting workshop, the Asian felting group workshop, and really enjoyed it. Everybody's so lovely and friendly and smiling. Just had a great time. Hope to meet up with everybody again soon. Looking forward to seeing more groups from MACFEST.
Hi, so today I went to the felting workshop with Aysha. It was amazing. We learned how to felt today. It was very therapeutic. We met other women and highly recommend it. Learned so much. And yeah, it was really good, especially here in Bolton, where we have a charity for women working with women's realising futures. It is a new group in Bolton, and it's brilliant to know more about what MACFEST is doing.
We are making beehives because it's a spring theme. So today I brought all my spring themed things that I did as well. And the reason I chose beehive is it's a beginner workshop, and I didn't want anything too complicated. And also because I'm a nature-inspired artist, I do lots of nature-themed work. So yeah, you got a small one there, and then you've got the big one. But this bee, I think it's dying on me.
The best bit of my hand. You want me to stop? Sorry.
And I think we've all got a nice beehive here. So if you those at the packet, if you can't see it, you can come here. But yeah, so like I said, this is called the roving. If you ever buy it, this is called a roving. So it's just that it's still pure wool, but it's dyed wool, and you can get so many colours. I get my wool from World of Wool, and this is very good for actually sculpting the piece of work. So you've got the base. That's your core wool, and then you've got this wool, which is like your sculpting wool. That's when you make the actual piece come to life. So what you do with this one is, once you've made it into a nice soft fibre, you take one piece, you take some of it, and then you're going to do a little bit of a... So imagine the coils on here, you're going to try and get them coils of the beehive. You can do it as a continuous piece, or you can do one by one. It's up to you. And they look quite nice if you do one by one as well, on top of each other like that. So same thing, using your needle, take one of them strands, twist it a little bit, don't twist it too much, just slightly, and then what you're going to have to do, starting from the bottom, and then you're gonna felt the very end first like that, and then you're gonna felt it all around. I'm not taking this on because I'm demonstrating, but you need to do it enough so you get a nice kind of a coil like that. So if you start there, make sure your hive is, hold your hive so that it's not going flat, it's still staying up, and then start putting your coils around like that. You can make it as thick as if you want it really thick, you can get more and just twist it like that. You can make thicker coils. It's up to you, but on this one I put thin coils, it's up to you. Yeah, you did really good. I'm going to come around a bit. I'm just going to do the first point here and I'll come around. I'll probably just do it. Just put that. Just attach it to that like that. So just like go around. Yeah, just go around so it doesn't fall out there. Because the last thing, one needle and one actually basically. So if you look at my so what happens is, like, if you get fibres and take that fibre, you get all little fibres, and when you needle get all the fibres cling together. So it's very soft now. Do you want to have a go? So this is actually part of my reed. So I actually made that and I took it off so I would bring it as a sample, but when I made this one, it's a lot of small things I made, and then I put wool around the polystyrene ring, and then I took it off, so I'm just putting it back in because its place was actually here somewhere. So you just felt it back in. That's how you make the wreaths. It's like you make everything separate and then you felt it in. So if you really like needle felting, you can make more things and you can put it all on a wreath if you want to do. But something like this would take you maybe, I don't know, it would take you many hours, a full day. So I couldn't really do a wreath with you today. I've got a love for dragonflies. I'm very much a nature-inspired artist. So I've got a little chick with the little eggs, butterfly, flowers, dragonfly. You can see I love dragonflies. And I work with Smithville's Woodland Trust, so obviously it fits in. I do a lot of nature-inspired workshops for them. So you've got dragonfly. I've got little penguins. So in the winter, if it was autumn, or you might do a woodland creature. In the winter, it would be snow. It would be like polar bears and snowflakes, things like that. I have got a lot of stuff at home. I couldn't bring it all, unfortunately. There's too much to bring. I have really. It's not far. It's not far. But yeah, I'll be launched. So that's going to be launched. Things like that. So I'm doing it fast, but you don't need to.
Can you get this from Hobbycraft or anywhere like that?
So, because I teach, I get mine from a place called World of Wool. Their wool is very good. It's a bit expensive, but I want to use good quality because I'm teaching. I want to make sure that my students get nice. But if you want to get beginner packs and you can't afford it, there are beginner packs. I think Hobbycraft might do beginner packs as a beginner. But if you want to go into it, I would get the nice wool. Like you'll have the name of the sheep, the colour.
There's like racing culture called black sheep wool. They're packs.
Are not the ones that are the big.
No, they're not. The honeybees are brown.
They look more. Eventually, if you can't get a nice one, I have got scissors. So you can. I've got scissors in here. You can always shape them. So if you find you've got not got a nice shape, I've got scissors. And what you can do is a bit cheating way. So try to do it without.
Do it into you. I'm not sure what's going on.
You might want it flying. Your bee might be flying. You know, like sometimes they have the wings up, or it might be on the side. You can have it like that. It's up to you how you do it. So they're not